Yep.
Today is a gift from God. That's why they call it the present.
That's a beautiful one.
Right.
Love it.
This morning, when all sweet things were born, a robin sat on the windowsill to signal the coming morn. So softly did he sing, so happy and so gay, that I arose a-smiling to greet the coming day. And as the robin sat there, he paused for a moment's lull. So I quickly closed the window and crushed his little skull, teach him to wake me up 5 o'clock.
That's really
You have
great.
to do
That's
one more
so
thing.
fun. It's a short and squatty cabin. Had a round corral and a dirt roof. It looked interesting, so I stopped my horse's smell. From around behind this cabin came this wild-eyed old-timer. He said, "Hey, Jack, why don't you rest your horse's spell?"
The general looked at him and said, well, here's the choice.
Yeah, I gotta get my
You're
right
the
glasses
scout,
on.
I'm the general. You can either guide or I'll lock you up.
Oh.
So he led him. He led the party. They ended up like the Donner Party.
Oh.
So they came back.
Oh, sorry, Danny.
Be careful.
Now he's a thief, a scoundrel, a scout, and a cannibal.
Oh, because he ate.
Nobody would have anything to do with him, and he died in 1848.
Wow.
But they just, cause he was a mountain man, they named the mountain after him without looking at his history.
Oh,
So that's when they changed the name from Roger Stock to Williams.
Interesting.
Now,
Man, you're full of facts.
we
Do we
were
have a
talking
picture
about my
of
hat.
you? Do we have a picture of you too?
Okay? You could tell a lot about a cowboy by looking at his hat. This hat tells you that I work in a place where it rains, where it snows, where the wind blows, where it gets cold. That I was in the military, I was in the Confederacy, I was a cavalryman. Yeah, I was in the Confederate Cavalry. I was in the militia. I was a member of the Cherokee Regiment.
Wow. Are you Cherokee Indian?
Yes, ma'am.
So are we.
Isn't this one of your
Mother was full-blooded, Dad was half.
Our great grandmother.
Ah,
pretty cool, Angela?
and it tells you that I'm right-handed.
Why right-handed? How does that
Okay.
say?
Cowboys kept the brim flat
Yeah.
to keep the rain and snow
Yep.
off. This is Hollywood, so you can see the movie star's face.
Yeah.
If you're going to do that, wear a ball cap.
But how does it show you you're right?
I'm getting to it, sweetie.
Hurry up now.
Okay. Flat brim kept the rain and snow off. High crown kept a warm air space. Flat or rounded crown kept the rain and snow from building up on top. Stampede string kept the wind from blowing it off. Gray color tells you Confederacy. Cross sabers tells you cavalry. The feather shows that I'm part of the Cherokee Regiment.
Wow.
The black band says militia. Regular cavalry would be a gold band. And it tells you I'm right-handed because you see how this side just a little bit higher.
Oh, I see.
It's because you always tip your hat
Oh,
to the pretty
yes.
girls, but you don't use your gun hand.
Hey, you should get a hat band here.
And then you looked at their spurs,
Yeah.
and that would tell you the kind of area they worked in.
Oh, yeah, Mexican.
If they worked in a wide open area, they put the buckle on the outside as a decoration. If they
Right.
worked in a really brushy area, they put the buckle on the inside so it wouldn't snag.
Wow.
You should write a book.
I was in the middle of doing nothing. I don't want to start another project
Oh,
until
I
I
love
finish this.
that. See, this sounds
Now,
Dog bit me in the hand. I said, "Well, Jack, why'd your dog bite me in the hand?" He said,
today is a gift from God. That's why they call it the present.
That's a